Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. We've got an exciting update for you. We are now set up and enrolled to receive donations through GoFundMe. So GoFundMe is a fundraising platform that people use all around the world to create a fundraiser to raise money for a cause. It's a crowdfunding platform that they then share that fundraiser on their social media networks with their friends, their family, and those people all contribute and raise money for a cause. And we are so excited to report that we are now a cause on GoFundMe. So you can create a fundraiser and type in Social Media Ministries, and we're going to pop up. You'll see our logo, we're going to come up there, and you can then fundraise money for our ministry. So if that's something you can do, that would be awesome. Even if you don't raise much money, if you only get like $100, set the goal low, $100, and if you blow past it, that'd be great. And if it's only 100, you at least are sharing that on your social media platforms and telling people about it, so it's raising awareness for Social Media Ministries. If you go out in the street and say Social Media Ministries, not many people are going to know what it is. If you say Red Cross, everyone knows what it is. So we want to get to be somewhere near that point. So even if you want to do a fundraiser but you're worried about the dollar amount, don't worry about that. We want more recognition because in time the fundraising will come. But we're set up on GoFundMe, so you can do that. You can create a fundraiser on GoFundMe, share it to your social media networks, and help raise awareness and hopefully also some money. Now, what are we going to do with that money? All of the money we receive is going to go right into the ministry. So it's going to be used for all of the things that we want to do. We want to spread the word. We want to spread the gospel using social media. So a great way to do that is going to be through some advertising. We're going to start boosting posts and getting out there to reach more people beyond our small amount of subscribers and followers. We want to grow that. And so if we put some money behind there and boost it out, hopefully we can accomplish growing our reach and reaching more people so we can continue to spread the word of God to as many people as possible. So if you feel like doing that, that would be awesome. Create a fundraiser on GoFundMe, share it with people, and see if you can raise some money to support Social Media Ministries. Thank you, and God bless.